How to use your AfterPay money on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to use your AfterPay money on Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, there are various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. Next, go to the bottom menu and tap on the Activity option that appears in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is the Activity page of Cash App. On this page, there are various payments or transactions that you have received. Scroll through the list and look for the one you would like to use on AfterPay. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Once you tap on the payment or transaction, go through it and look for the option that says Pay and make sure you tap on it. After that, enter the AfterPay amount you would like to pay and proceed to make the payment. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to use your AfterPay money on Cash App.